Hi guys, this is Mark. You might find this a little bit of a strange video because you're not going to see me. What I have here is white vinegar, sea salt, or barbecue sauce, lemon juice, and quadruple zero steel wool. All of these things with a certain concoction of mixture can be used to clean metals, okay? You got to mix this stuff up. It's great on brass, can be used, some of it on copper, and I've used it. It does a pretty good job. If you want to know the mix that you need, you can Google it or go to YouTube and you'll see guys using it. Some of them don't use all of this, some of them mix all of it. So it can work. It's some of it's not easy. I've cleaned brass with it. But one thing I wanted to tell you, the big daddy of metal cleaners, I think, is something that my brother turned me on to. All right, he's a jeweler and he uses this stuff, and it's called Cape Cod metal polishing cloths. You're not going to find that in a big box store. You're going to have to go to a local hardware store. If you don't see it, ask them. Most of them know what you're talking about. I think this can cost about $18, but there's a bunch of polishing cloths in there. Stuff does an unbelievable job. And like I said, my brother's a jeweler. He will use it at times to clean tarnished jewelry, whether it's gold or silver. And this stuff is fantastic. So it's just a little tip today for you. You can go with this. You can go with this, mix your own concoction, or try to use both, depending on how bad things are. So I've used both. I love this Cape Cod metal polishing stuff, and I would suggest it. You know, if you're going to try this, do a small piece of metal first. Make sure everything works out okay, especially if you're using the concoction so that you don't have any adverse reaction depending on the type of metal you're using. This stuff you probably should only use on certain metals. Definitely brass is acceptable, and there are others I'm not too sure about, but you know, the Cape Cod cloth is brass, gold, silver, aluminum, stainless metals, anything that's tarnished. It seems to work really good on it. So just a little tip for you, and maybe the next time you'll see me. So have a good day. Bye.